attending our first recital for our regional Suzuki camp. Warm welcome to all.
Suzuki said, knowledge is not a skill. But what is a skill? Knowledge plus 10,000 times is a skill. Did you like those who performed at the last part? They are really very, very good. Do you know how many times they have played? 10,000 times, repeatedly. So even if you know it, but you are not repeating it, it doesn't become a skill and it is useless. One of the most unique characteristic of Suzuki is the triangle. The student, the parent, and the teacher. What again? The triangle is what? Parent, student, and teacher. They all work hand in hand. Parents, the recital is not only a display of the talent. You know that playing music is building good character. In the recital, we learn how to discipline our children. Teachers talk to the parents and tell them, what is it supposed to be in a recital? Like behaving well, not talking, not standing up or running around when someone is playing. Because for all you know, the one who is playing here had repeatedly what? Labored just to be able to play their piece. So parents, let us try to talk to our children, not only here but at home, to remind them how important it is to behave in a recital.